Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll continue the list session where this is our fifth video and where we are continuing point number 62, chess game. So chess game in Python with the source code. Build chess game in Python. Show the output of chess game developed using Python programming language and AI is used. So user interface written in the Tkinter Python library. And like we have to create the chessboard, adding the pieces and handling the user inputs. And this will be the YouTube video where we have created the chess game and they can play. And for the changing the color, press C. And these are the software hardware requirements. Let's scroll up. Component recognition on circuit boards. Electric component recognition using image processing. Let's read out. Like an electric circuit built using component and their connections. This project represents a system for automatic recognition of hand-drawn electrical circuit based on the image classification and segmentation algorithm. So what model will do? Upload an input image to that model and it will detect and identify the components like capacitor, ground belongs to the open line components and many others component. And these are the software hardware requirements. Okay, let's go back. Now the point number 64, classification and counting vehicles on Indian roads. Like what it will do, like user can give input video to that model and it will classify the type of vehicles like two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, LCV, minibus, bus, truck and other heavy vehicles. Like it will count the total number of vehicle passing through that video and it will classify and count the number of vehicles. In this project, we will detect the vehicle and classify it accordingly, like two-wheeler and bus, etc. And further, this project will count the number of vehicle passed through it with OpenCV computer vision library in Python. Okay, this will be the complete details. And if you want to play the video, then just click on it button. And these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Continue with the point number 65. Cloth pattern recognition, formal and casual. So let's click on it. Now cloth detection using deep learning in video and virtual try-on using image processing. So these are the introduction of that project. Like store for the most part have huge and different choices for garments. So it is genuinely outlandish for a client to evaluate every one of those garments without going through hours on it. Additionally, in a physical store, to take a step at some choose garment, a typical practice is to line up and alternate to utilize the fitting rooms. Because of the predetermined number of in-store fitting rooms, customer normally need to invest the majority of their shopping energy on lining up, which will be the significantly more doing top hours. Drawing out holding up time will influence the client's understanding, which prompt lower consumer loyalty. So this will be the project abstract, and this will be the project working video. Let's run it. System will work on the image, video, and real time. We have to log in with the username and password. Then it will open the web page. So this will be the uploading of image option where user can upload the image. It will predict the cloth style like formal, casual or streetwear like that. So it predicts like person wearing the formal cloth type with the output, and we have given the another image and it will show like person wearing the streetwear cloth type. Move forward. It will predict that person wearing the athletic wear cloth type. You can upload also image, video and the real time footage. So in the real time footage, it will consider as a casual with the 71% accuracy. Okay, this will be the complete output video of project. And these are the problem statement of virtual try-on project and the aim of the project of shirt and pant try-on project. These are the software and hardware requirement. And you can also check out the related projects like in the different technologies. If you click on it, then it will open the list. You can just scroll down. We have uploaded the multiple projects here. Let's go back. Now the point number 66, virtual try-on. It will be similar to that project where make the fitted shirt on any person where it will open the laptop front camera like it is fitted to that person and it is a type of virtual try-on. These are the software hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now the point number 67, cloud removal satellite images. Satellite imagery in ARCGIS image processing. Cloud removal from satellite image using image processing. This project developed using web interface. User first have to upload of cloudy satellite image. Then you have to click on the submit button. After submitting, then it will load the model. This process will take time because we are processing using Gen network that take heavy computational power and make the prediction. Here we are using two different dataset and algorithm. It will generate two different output. So we are generating with the output rise 1 and rise 2 model, and the above image is cloudy image, and in the output it will remove that cloudy image and make it clear. These are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now the point number 69, college inquiry chatbot, and it is a software based project. Let's open it. This will be the description of project. Like, college inquiry chatbot project is developed using machine learning algorithm. User can ask query about college related activity through the system. The answer will be given by chatbot in voice and text format. Like, the student does not have to go personally college for inquiry. Our aim is to develop a college inquiry chat that answer all the queries asked by student, like college detail, course detail, fees structure, college fees, etc. This college inquiry chatbot is trained on machine learning algorithm that analyzes the student queries and understand the user message. This system is a desktop software base that provide answer to the queries. Like, it is a particular chatbot where user can ask the questions and chatbot will reply. And chatbot is trained on the large data set of questions and answers. Like, we have asked how to get student information from the instructor. Please schedule an appointment with the instructor on mail him and asking the information you need. How much time do we have to complete the exam once we start it? Each student has up to 2 hours to finish that exam. So the chatbot will reply according to their questions. And these are the software and hardware requirements. These are the related projects. Like, if you click on the machine learning projects, just click here and it will show the machine learning project list. Like, we have uploaded 177 project list. Let's go back. Now the point number 70, contextual file searching tool. Let's click on it. And the contextual file search using Python. This project developed using Python programming language and user interface design using HTML, CSS, and Django framework. User can run code through terminal or any editor. Then a URL is generated. Project executed through URL. Particular URL has to paste in any browser. Then homepage will open. Document finder can find the document in snap of time from the search keyword. User have to enter a keyword on search bar and it will find the document or PDF. It will give the result and title and score. User can upload a PDF file that can be searched by a particular keyword. So this will be the output video, and if you just click on the play button, it will play the YouTube video. And these are the hardware and software requirements. So let's go back. The chronic obstructive pulmonary disease prediction, COPD, detection using chest X-ray. So COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a respiratory element that persistent respiratory symptoms and it slowly decline in the lung function due to restricted airflow. Airflow block from the lungs make breathing difficult and cause the presence of wheezing, coughing, heaviness in chest, and shortness of breath. Multiple disease classification using machine learning. This project is trained on the multiple disease of CT scan images and the image dataset downloaded from the Kaggle. Like, dataset included bacterial pneumonia, coronavirus disease, normal, tuberculosis, and viral pneumonia. First, user have to collect the dataset of particular disease image and then have to write training script to train the model. Once the model trained with ML algorithm, then user can integrate that particular model with graphical user interface, where user can provide input of disease image and model will predict that particular disease from dataset. This project developed using Python programming language and model is trained under machine learning algorithm. Django framework is used for graphical user interface, where user can upload image of disease and model can classify that particular disease. So user have to upload any input image and model will predict that particular disease. Like, it will predict, currently it will predict normal, and these are the software and hardware requirements, and these are the list. So let's go back. Now counting people from laptop webcam, point number 72. Just open it. So real-time crowd counting using OpenCV Python. So it is a like people counting project where user have to upload any input video and it will count the total number of person in that particular video frame. Or it also works on the real-time laptop webcam, where it will open the laptop webcam and it will count the total number of person in the front of laptop webcam. So these are the hardware and software requirements. If you want to play that video, just click on it. Just go back. Now point number 73, COVID case prediction. Just open it. Now COVID patient count prediction using LSTM or machine learning projects. In that project, user have to enter the name of number of days to predict, country to predict, and forecast data in graphical form, like forecast data in table form, and about algorithm used and the go back button. These are the functionality of that particular project. Like machine learning algorithm are used and can be used for two solutions. First for forecasting the number of positive cases, and second for predicting the chances of being infected. So let's scroll down. These are the software and hardware requirements. If you want to play that video, just click on it. Let's go back. Let's complete this video here and we'll continue again with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.